Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Good news po itong pag-usapan natin ngayon. Bigyan natin ng reaksyon, opinion itong post ni Teo Moreno. Title, NUP or National Unity Party to oppose Duterte impeachment. Wow. The National Unity Party, one of the largest blocs in the House of Representatives, said its members will most likely not vote in favor of the impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte unless new evidence emerges. The statement comes a week after Duterte announced her intention to run for president in 2028, even as fresh complaints seeking her removal from office were filed. The House Justice Committee is set to take up the 4 impeachment complaints against Duterte starting March 2. Tagal pa naman. So ito, ang press statement nila, basahin ko lang basta klaro, hindi sila pipirma kung walang bagong ebidensya. The National Press Statement of the National Unity Party. The National Unity Party has taken note of the renewed discussion surrounding the impeachment proceedings filed against VP Sara Duterte. Impeachment is one of the most constitutional, punta na lang tayo sa note. Should be evaluated carefully in the light of the evidence presented. At this stage, the NUP has not seen the inclusion of new and material evidence that would warrant a departure from issues that have already been, sensya na kayo, malilit yung litre, been the subject of prior inquiries and extensive public hearings. Unless compelling new evidence emerges during the course of these hearings that fundamentally alters the factual basis for the impeachment complaint, the NUP will most likely not vote in favor of this measure. The party will not preempt such proceedings and remains prepared to assess any new evidence presented in the course of the deliberations. The NUP believes that Congress must carefully allocate its time, focus, and institutional resources toward more pressing and urgent national concerns. An impeachment proceeding grounded on issues that have already been previously raised and examined would inevitably consume substantial time and attention from both chambers. Resources which we believe would have to be better directed toward matters that have a more immediate impact on the economic stability, public safety, and the daily welfare of the Filipinos. Nevertheless, the party remains open to evaluating any new evidence that may arise and will assess such development on their merits, guided solely by the Constitution and the rule of law. The NUP expresses its confidence that the Committee on Justice will conduct the proceedings responsibly, judiciously, and in accordance with constitutional standards. Signed, ayan, ito, Secretary General Velasco. Napakagandang development po ito, mga ka-DDS. Magkaroon ito, I believe opinion ko lang ito, magkaroon ito ng domino effect. According to Congressman Chanco, mga sobra 40, siguro 40 to 50 members ang National Unity Party. Pangalawang pinakamalaki. Ang pinakamalaking bilang is Lakas CMD. Nasa 100 daw, more or less. So, siguro, nabasa na nila, pinag-aralan, yung 4 na impeachment complaint, parehas lang yung na-file last time. Walang bagong ebidensya. Yung mga akusasyon nila, confidential funds, yung death threat, ano pa yan, mga ill-gotten wealth, bank accounts, kung ano-ano pa yan, wala na yun naimbestigahan na So wala namang bago. Kaya, saludo ako, itong NUP. Sana lahat ng partido ganito. Tapos may pagkakaisa, ito ang malakas na party system. Katulad sa US, Republican and Democratic lang. Nagkakasundo yan. Mag-convention sila. But once nga nagkasundo, yun na lahat. Susuportahan nila kung anong napagkasundan. At ito, nakikita ko, maganda itong National Unity Party na based sila sa issues. not so much on politics or ano. May pag-asa pa ang Congress kung ganito na may mga tumitimbang. Ibig sabihin, itong NUP hindi hawak sa liig ng kung sino dyan. Alam nyo na kung sino yung ano. So again, this is good news. So, kung ang National Unity Party ayaw, I believe yung mga ibang party, wala na rin, susunod yan. Ang naiwan na lang itong Lakas CMD dahil may 100 plus members sila. So kung lahat ng Lakas CMD pipirma, posible, matuloy ang impeachment. Makakuha sila ng 1/3. Kailan, gaano kalakas ang hawak ni Romualdez sa Lakas CMD? Malakas ba ang grip niya? Palagay ko, hindi na. Hindi katulad nung last year, na bumabaha yung pundo. Maraming pumirma. Ngayon, saan sila kukuha ng pundo? Yung sabi ni Senator Amy, baka gamitin nila yung mga approved budget sa 2026 na pang-ayuda. X2 pad kung ano-ano yan. Baka yun. Kaya bantayan natin. Kaya ang labanan ngayon sa plenary. Kasi sa nakikita ko, Committee on Justice, lulusot yan. Dahil nandyan si Congresswoman Luestro. Kung hindi dahil kay Speaker, walang ganito. Yun. Lusot yan. Kaya lang pagdating sa plenary, tingnan natin. So ano ngayon? Si Senator Soto? Ay, nako. Mabubulaga yan dahil wala siyang matra-trial kasi atat na atat si Senator Soto na mag-trial kay BP Sara. Good luck po, Senator Soto.